What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This way you find the hottest and the newest DGen plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and like always, I got something special for you guys in this one. But before we get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is very risky and very volatile, guys. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, as you guys can see, I got my channel pulled up on screen, Meme Coin Daily, 480 subscribers, 20 more for 500, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, it really helps. And comment down below what project you want me to check out next. I'll check it out on the channel for you guys. Now let's hop right over to Dex Tools. Top 10 trending pairs on Dex Tools. Number 1, we got Bone. Number 2, Zen. Zen is crushing it recently. Number 3, The. Still up there. Number 4, Vemp. Number 5, Risk. Never heard of that one. Number 6, Mooney. Number 7, Hex. 8, Shinshu. Just covered that. 9, Sani. Just covered that. And I gotta do an update video on Shido, which is number 10 right now. But the project that we're gonna be checking out in this one is DGTV, DogeTV. A lot of hype around this project. A lot of people talking about it on crypto Twitter. You know what I'm saying? The influencers going crazy for this one. And when I looked at it, I was like, wait, this is the chart? I've been hearing about it for like a few days now, like since like what day is it? It's the 5th. I've been hearing about it since the 1st, somewhere down here, right? And the chart has just been on a stairway to heaven. This is crazy, guys. This is a great chart, you know what I'm saying? Project been out since the 27th and just has been on a steady uptrend. It's on its own bull run, and I'm like, why is the chart like this? So we gonna find out in this video. Let's go for the Uniswap info. We got 607k in liquidity, 306k in 24-hour trade volume, which is very nice. A lot of trading going on for the project, you know what I'm saying? It is alive and well. 1.42k holders, you know what I'm saying? That's very nice as well, because a lot of projects only get to like 600, 700 before they start falling off. And $4 million in market cap. $4 million in market cap means there's still upside potential for this project, guys. A 10x from here would be 40 million market cap. You can't rule it out in the crypto space, in the DGen space especially. You can't rule anything out. Crypto is very unpredictable. Now it could retrace down from here, you know what I'm saying, accumulate and then start moving up again, or the complete opposite may happen where it just continues up further. You know what I'm saying? You never know, guys. So don't think 4 million market cap is too high of a market cap, because when WCI World Cup ENO was at 3 mil, 4 mil, no one thought it would go to 30 mil. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see what happens with this project. Just always remember to manage your risk, guys. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Let's check out the website, see what the project is all about. Welcome to DogeTV, bringing Web3 and TV together. Okay, DogeTV is an innovative deflationary, I like that, deflationary ecosystem born on the Ethereum blockchain. By bringing TV and Web3 technology together in a revolutionary way, DogeTV presents you to an elite entertainment service tied to a deflationary token ecosystem. DogeTV holders will have the opportunity to secure their own portion of the membership taxes using our unique profit sharing system by minting an exclusive NFT. Okay, so they have a holders will get rewarded from a membership tax in a unique profit sharing system. They have a swap right here, right on the website, which is pretty good to see as well. Let's go down. Tokenomics, 10 million max supply. DogeTV, DGTV. They have whale stats. Okay, so their max transaction is 1% of the total supply, and max wallet is 2%. 6% tax, 5% marketing, 1% liquidity, 6% out, 5% marketing, 6%, 1% liquidity. So a 6% round trip on the taxes, guys, but majority of that is going to the marketing so they could develop the DogeTV app right here on screen. Enjoy watching them on TV, whether it's smart TV, iPhone, Mac, Android. Watch your favorite program with great pleasure. A video right here explaining the whole DogeTV app. All DGTV holders get to watch the fight for free. Just connect your wallet to the DGTV app, because they choose from different events. Pretty nice stuff, guys. 24K plus live channels, 45K plus movies, 4K TV shows, 1,400 holders rounded out for you guys. Our promise: with rising inflation around the world causing the cost of living to go through the roof, everything getting so expensive, guys, gas prices, man. DogeTV have a solution that will not only save you money but make you money too. Using Web3 technology and the blockchain, we bring you a top quality entertainment service connected to a deflationary token. So cancel those overpriced cable subscriptions, buy the DGTV token, sit back and join us on our mission to the top. And they have another little trailer video right here on the website so you can see what the project offers. I really like what I see, and now I see why there's so much hype around the project. DogeTV features far more powerful than just your standard token. See the awesome features below. 6% tax on all transactions. 6% tax is distributed as a 1% liquidity pool. 5% to the project wallet. Project will be used to pay marketing, as well as being used for further development. That's what I said earlier, to develop the project and maintain the DogeTV platform, ensuring our holders receive an elite service from a professional brand. DogeTV membership, so they have a membership service as well. All DogeTV holders will receive exclusive benefits towards the service. The more DTV tokens you hold, the better the rewards. Okay, that's how you, okay, yeah, now I understand why the chart is like this. People are holding the chart so they could get better rewards, and you know, with their DogeTV membership. More information on the packages will be announced soon. Alternatively, whales that hold 1% gain a lifetime subscription to the service with multiple devices. That inspires the whales to hold that floor as well, guys. This is some nice stuff from what I'm reading. Profit sharing and passive income. The DogeTV future NFT release will give all of our holders an opportunity to secure a percentage of profit from all DogeTV membership sales. The more you hold, the larger the percentage you receive. So all of these features that we just read are incentivizing people to hold this project, get those diamond hands in there, less Jeets, you know what I'm saying, more Chads, and then you get a chart like this, okay? Roadmap. Okay, season 1 switch on. So they're gonna do a BSC bridge next, App Store listings, channel surfing, CoinGecko coin market cap, AMA campaign, passive reward, NFT launch, coin audit. Okay, gotta get that audit done. DTV channel beta test, app platform test, major platform releases, partner, 3,000 holders, DTV prediction platform launch, so like a betting system. DTV international crypto channel, CEX listings, gotta get those, 5,000 holders, more to come. And they have a pie chart breakdown for the ecosystem. You purchase the DogeTV token, purchase DogeTV membership using DTV token to gain access to the TV service. So you have to buy the token which adds utility, and then you get access to the membership so you could actually use the TV service. 50% of membership fee is burned. That's where the deflation comes in. Oh man, this is well thought out, guys. This is a well thought out project. Rewards pool, 50% of membership fee sent to rewards pool, and the NFTs. Buy those TV NFT and earn a percentage of the rewards pool. Passive income, and the deflationary as well, the deflationary aspects as well. They also have frequently asked questions here as well. And that is the end of the website. So far, I like what I read, guys. The beta version of the app is already out, so you need at least 200 DogeTV tokens to access this site. This is how you add utility to a project, guys. You know what I'm saying? This is a great utility, great use case. People could purchase it and then get access to, you know, premium pay-per-views, guys. And it's all decentralized. You know what I'm saying? This is what decentralization is all about. 2,700 followers, and they have some people following that I probably already know. Tweet from the official DogeTV page. Our DogeTV NFTs are coming along nicely. 50% of the DGTV membership packs will be distributed back to our NFT holders. That passive income, y'all. Dive into the DGTV ecosystem, and these are what the NFTs look like. Okay, the greatest thing about what they're doing with their NFTs is that their NFTs will add utility once again. You know what I'm saying? 50% of the DGTV membership packs will be distributed back to the NFT holders, yeah, so it has utility here. Weekends can be slow in the crypto space, but DogeTV has you covered. Watch Australian UFC legend Mark Hunt get in boxing ring against rugby league great Sonny Bill Williams. 250 DogeTV tokens to access the beta. You will find the fight live in the pay-per-view 3 folder. Enjoy. 58 likes, 25 retweets. Active community is still there. I have a tweet right here from Crypto Lobster. DogeTV package coming along nicely. Utility, how about every sports, movie, series, documentary in the world right at your fingertips? DogeTV official is going to be huge. And he has a chart right here to break down all the subscription services. This is very smart, I gotta say, man. This is very smart for a DJ play, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That is a great use case and innovation that we got on our hands with this one, y'all. And another tweet from the Jason Crypto 8. Full send DogeTV to 100 million market cap. Enough said. 79 likes, 39 retweets. Look at this man's charting. It's like a Nike check mark, y'all. Right to the top. Zoop, zoop. Would not rule out 100 mil market cap. How many X's is that, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Let's do the math. How much X's is that? 25x to 100 mil market cap, y'all. And we got a tweet from a very respectable name in the space, Dogen, 31k followers. Watching DogeTV in my bathtub. Dead serious. Decentralization is the future. All these old oligarchs, you know what I'm saying, the Netflixes, all of these companies will start getting replaced by innovative, smart devs in the crypto space, fully decentralized, and getting all of these companies out of here, guys. If crypto is the future, wait and see. And we got Eric Crypto Man in the reply, based and DogeTV pilled. 2,253 members in the DogeTV official Telegram. And from what I can see from the community, it's very engaging, very based, like I said earlier. People are actually using the product that DogeTV has created instead of watching regular TV, y'all. So that is great, you know what I'm saying? They're actually making use of the utility. Who knows what could be in store for this project, y'all? I wish nothing but success for it. Let me know your thoughts of DogeTV if you're a holder in the comment section. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts as well. Let's have a discussion in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and everything DogeTV and myself will be in the description. Be sure to check that out. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.